Welcome to this video on the ascent of intelligence. We will explore the ongoing transition from simple automated tools to the development of truly autonomous minds. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, refers to a hypothetical system capable of matching or surpassing human intelligence across all cognitive tasks, learning and transferring skills between domains without needing specific reprogramming. The intelligence spectrum moves from artificial narrow intelligence, which we use today, toward AGI, and potentially to artificial superintelligence, where systems would recursively improve themselves and outperform human intelligence. The path to AGI is being paved by three key technologies: generative large language models, which provide the knowledge base; agentic AI, which acts as a proactive colleague; and physical AI, which anchors these systems in the real world. AI history has been defined by cycles of hype and disillusionment, known as AI winters. However, since the breakthrough of transformer architecture in 2017, we have entered a period of exponential growth and capability. To measure our progress, researchers are moving beyond simple text-based tests, establishing real-world benchmarks like navigating physical environments, strategic problem-solving, and achieving economic autonomy. Recent breakthroughs have drastically shortened timelines. While the historical consensus once pointed toward the mid-century for AGI, many experts now believe it could be achieved within 5 to 20 years. Google DeepMind has proposed a framework categorizing AGI into 5 levels, ranging from emerging, equivalent to an unskilled human, to superhuman, where a system outperforms all humans in all tasks. The impact on the workforce will be profound. Research suggests that a vast majority of the workforce will see their roles transformed, as AGI augments the capabilities of professionals across nearly every domain. If developed responsibly, AGI could serve as a powerful engine for progress, helping solve intractable global challenges in scientific research, resource modeling, and economic productivity. However, creating an entity more intelligent than ourselves carries existential risks, including control problems, alignment failures, and the potential for the entrenchment of biases in our infrastructure. This creates the alignment paradox. We must ensure that as AI systems become smarter, their goals remain strictly tethered to human welfare, effectively perfecting the steering wheel before building the engine. To guide this, organizations are adopting ethical frameworks centered on human autonomy, governability, and transparency, ensuring that AI remains a tool that is fair and explainable. Ultimately, the future is not about humans versus machines. Success requires cultivating uniquely human qualities like empathy and creativity, as we work alongside machines to build a future neither could achieve alone.